Dumelang, kalibzeke nna Phaello Chabalala, and on this video, I'm going to remind you how to melt your lace correctly. So I'm starting off using got-to-be glue and putting it on a different container, so basically decanting it. And then I'm using a ragtail comb to transfer it from the decanter to my lace. So the only reason why we do this is because we don't want a lot of product on our lace unnecessarily. So this helps us control the amount of product that we place on our lace. And we also can control that it doesn't go on our hair itself. The minute we put got-to-be glue or too much product on our hair, like above where the lace is, the hair becomes hard, guys. It doesn't move around. As much as you want a slick finish, it doesn't give that natural hair finish. As you can see, my bowl cap is seeping through a bit on this lace because this lace is quite thin. I will explain that on my installation video. Please stay tuned to how I installed this wig. After you're done doing what you need to do, you need to make sure that everything is dry before we go in to clean the places where we probably have put like extra glue, that vibe. A clean surface is very important for beautiful results. And after I've cleaned and after I know that it is dry, I lay it down for about 15 minutes, and this is where we at. I'll see you guys on the installation video. Somewhere here.